Previously on Shine Your Eyes.
Guy, you too fast too. Shebi I tell you make you no touch that card. That guy know me well. I say he know.
You won't walk, Abby. Guy, they baffle me. Okay now.
Hello.
Hello, who is this?
Good day, sir.
And this one for one goes it will be lying, my G. Guy, you got to check that phone. That shit they call.
Hello. You clear all the money right there in my bank account.
Should be only your 500 naira collect, abi? I don't want wahala.
No, I don't touch your money.
Better. I don't trust this one. No, it's okay now. I can't remember how this 500,000 take you. Now, wow, 500,000 again?
Now, wow, all you going to go, sorry. I don't feel kill myself. First thing tomorrow morning, I go just run enter bank and go report this matter safe. Now we can find a girl house. Don't tire. Now, this one, but to know day today, even Keke said they pass anyhow. Nah, this forest they fear me. I need to go out, so I try this guy. Oh wow, you know stuff for me. Hey, oh boy, but I got some plan. Okay, know what I go to. Bros, I beg, please carry me now. I will enter town, please. I beg. Hey, which one be this? Hey, this man again. Ha! Now wow. You see this man going to the road by this time. Now wow. Make I check him out. At least I cover my head. You not gonna recognize me. I beg, bros, please make I follow you enter town. My motor spoil for here. I don't even know how to take start. Please make I just follow you enter town. And if you see what happened to me today, you no go believe her. Nah, I just did provoke. This morning, I just enter market buy small stuff. Now, so I don't know how to take waka. The people come wipe my ATM account, wipe everything what I get. Now, I can just provoke. When I see the alert now, I will provoke like that. They drive, they go. Oh no, you say I dey close to push. Now, so I can't carry motor go hit 1-3. So I can't dey here till this time. Now, I don't even know how to take start. But anyway, I know how to tackle them. Tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, I go just rush enter and go report them. Then from there, I go enter police, arrest all of them. Now, they try me. They don't know who I be now. Don't worry. Go show them pepper. Guy. Wow, what is this one? I did spray, guy.
So, guy, you never tell I just drop home and we carry fish for you. Nah, the woman using a fish, cut my belly. We work on the smell, and it's in the top of my belly.
Crayfish? Ha! Not they persist anything for here. Sure, they talk, sir.
Oh, guy, you know, go understand.
Guy, you say now what to be that thing, sir, go you spray. Now, this thing that affect you, they weaken my body here. I want for you.
Confirm. Sharp, market don't drop. Yeah, man. Should you want enter bank or report say they rob you, Abby? Where now? Wake up. By the time I finish dealing with you, they don't even know the road to bank, sir. They don't even know who to report to. Now, wow. So, no only wristwatch and phone this man can afford for now. Hey, don't wipe this man completely. You'll be smart.